When an Android phone is unresponsive, there are various ways to force restart it. For most devices, hold the power button for 20-30 seconds until it shuts down. Samsung users may press the volume down and power side buttons together for 7 seconds. If the phone has a removable battery, carefully remove it, wait, then reinsert it. For advanced users, try accessing recovery mode by powering off the phone, then pressing and holding the power and volume down buttons until the recovery mode screen appears. Scroll to Reboot System Now with the volume buttons and select it with the power button. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel V4 Empire Unlocker and stay tuned for more videos.